Ever wondered how long it takes to receive money through Paysend? I know I did. I've been using Paysend for a while now, and I've noticed that the transfer times can vary quite a bit. So, let's dive into it and find out just how long you can expect to wait. Understanding Paysend. Before we get into the specifics, let's quickly recap what Paysend is. It's a global money transfer service that allows you to send money to friends, family, or businesses in over 120 countries. One of its biggest advantages is that it often offers lower fees compared to traditional banks. Factors affecting transfer times. Several factors can influence how long it takes for your Paysend transfer to reach its destination. Let's break them down. Sending and receiving countries. The distance between the two countries involved can play a significant role. Transfers between countries closer together tend to be faster. For example, a transfer from the UK to Ireland might be completed in a matter of hours, while a transfer from the US to India could take a few days. Sending and receiving methods. The methods used to send and receive the money can also impact the transfer time. For instance, sending money to a bank account might take longer than sending it to a mobile wallet or cash pickup location. Bank processing times. Even if Paysend processes your transfer quickly, the banks involved may still need to process the funds. This can add to the overall transfer time. Typical transfer times. While there's no exact timeline for all Paysend transfers, here's a general breakdown. Domestic transfers. Within the same country, Paysend transfers are usually completed within a few hours or even minutes. European transfers. Transfers between European countries typically take a few hours to a day. International transfers. For transfers to other continents, the time can vary from a few days to a week or more. Real-life examples. To give you a better idea of what to expect, let's share some real-life examples. Example 1. John sent money from the UK to his sister in Australia. It took about 3 days for the funds to reach her bank account. Example 2. Maria sent money from the US to her friend in Mexico. The transfer was completed within 24 hours. Example 3. Ahmed sent money from Nigeria to his cousin in Ghana. The transfer was processed within a few hours. Tips for faster transfers. If you want to speed up your Paysend transfer, here are a few tips. Provide accurate information. Ensure that the recipient's details are correct to avoid delays. Choose faster transfer methods. Opt for methods like mobile wallets or cash pickup if available. Verify your identity. Completing identity verification can sometimes expedite the process. So, how long does it take to receive money through Paysend? As you've seen, the answer depends on several factors. While some transfers can be completed quickly, others may take longer. By understanding these factors and following the tips we've discussed, you can make informed decisions and minimize waiting times. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.